So I don't know about you, but when I first started driving for Uber, I started looking up on YouTube all the different strategies. I started watching different YouTubers, different people on how to make money. And I signed up all the way back in 2017 to first start driving for Lyft, all right? And then it was Postmates, and then it was Uber, and then it was Instacart, and then it was Walmart Spark, and then it was Uber Eats, or I don't know. I've tried so many apps at this point, I've lost track. I've always looked and looked and looked for different ways to make money, and one of the ways that I found was one way to start making $1,000 a month. This was the first thing that allowed me, and it wasn't a normal job, it was right here on YouTube. I started a faceless YouTube channel. It was a hybrid faceless YouTube channel, so a lot of the videos were not with my face. Some of them were with my face just because I personally don't care, but you don't need to show your face. For me, this allowed me to, and I truly believe that being an Uber and Lyft driver and having that experience helped me become successful with YouTube. So I'm now showing people how to do this. I have a link below, how to start making over $1,000 a month with this. And again, you will not start, it probably won't start right away, but after a couple months, you'll probably start seeing 1,000, 2,000, if you put in the work, right? This is just on my page so far this year. I've been making over $10,000 per month on one of my several YouTube channels. And then in last year, I made over $10,000 a month as well. I mean, this has completely changed my life and allowed me to, again, stop driving Uber and Lyft, buy this house here in Southern California. It took me about two to 2.5 years of saving. But I did it, I did it, and it's it's pretty awesome. And you don't need to show your face, you don't need a following, you don't need experience, but it's not a get rich quick scheme, okay? If you try it out, it's basically creating a YouTube channel, not showing your face, and allowing these videos to start generating money through the form of AdSense, which is, if you watch this video, you probably see an ad somewhere. Those ads, YouTube is basically a big ad platform. So when you create a video, somebody watches it, YouTube's like, we're gonna show an ad to that person. You split the ad money with YouTube or Google, because Google owns YouTube, and then you keep 50% or whatever the split is. It's like 40 or 50%. I honestly don't even know. I probably should know, but I only get whatever they give me, so it's like, who cares, right? But I do think that being an Uber and a Lyft driver, you understand the value of hard work. You understand, and you know how to put in hard work, and you're not afraid to put in hard work. And number two, you understand the value of managing your time, because driving for Uber and Lyft, you have to manage your time. And with the faceless YouTube channel method, if you know how to manage your time and put in hard work, it's almost like a guarantee to become successful. I've taught one of my friends how to do this. She started making $40,000 a month, okay? It's crazy. For me, I started making $1,000 a month on like month 3 of doing this. And then it was like $1,000, 2,000, 3,000, then it started going up and up and up. But I think $1,000 a month is very realistic if you can set up a successful faceless YouTube channel. And again, once you click the link below and sign up, there's a 30-day free trial right now. Sign up, click login, go to My Programs, then click View Programs, and then join start the faceless YouTube channel program. It's about 54 minutes long. Go through it, take notes, and then join the group chat. And I'm gonna guide you through it and walk you through it. And I really wanna help some of you guys because, again, I think so many of you guys watching this can do it and start making some really, really good money. And hopefully, it works out. But that's kind of my whole strategy, is trying out a bunch of different things, and then, not all of them are gonna work. That's the whole point of being an entrepreneur, is like trying out 20, 30 different ways to make money, and 4 of them work. But those 4 things change your life. And then the next year you try out another 15 things, and then only 3 of those work. But then all of a sudden now you have 7 streams of income. It's like, and after 5 years, it's like, boom, you're making more money than you ever thought of. So Anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you'd be interested. If not, no worries at all. Thanks for watching. We'll talk soon.